I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore all the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? Hope y'all having a good day. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you haven't yet, make sure y'all subscribe. If you're new, make sure y'all drop a like, comment what y'all think about this video. But look, man, I crashed my car, bro. Got a lot going on in my life. I'm not too stressed out, but I got a lot going on. I'm gonna show y'all pictures, right? I got enough pictures, you feel me, to show y'all, but I fucked my shit up, man. I live in Colorado. It's super icy out, and I slid. Ran into a curb, and that shit fucked up my whole front of my car. But I'm gonna pull up to the scene later today and show y'all videos. I'm about to get it towed and stuff like that. But hey, look, man, I'm not even worried about it. I'm still finna keep doing these videos. I haven't been back in 2 weeks, and I apologize. This vlog is just full of clips of me throughout the week. Couple clips, me going out to eat, me at stores, stuff like that. So hope y'all enjoy it, man. And then I got another vlog for y'all coming tomorrow. I just split these vlogs into two instead of doing some long ass vlogs. So hope y'all having a good day. Like I said, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure y'all go subscribe to my second channel right here, ONH TV Reacts. And yeah, man, everything it's finna work out, bro. Like, that's why the biggest thing I could tell y'all is everything happens for a reason. So now I'm finna get a new car, and you feel me? Small things to a giant. So about to go crazy, about to get this new car, pay the fees, bro. Whatever I have to pay, I'm gonna pay it, get this over with, and just get my whole situation figured out. But I also got a new job. Y'all see that in the next video. Next vlog. But yeah, like I said, man, make sure you subscribe to my second channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we back in the video, bro, and I'm at Dick's. Oh, man, just looking for a club. Just talking, motherfucker. I'm Fleet. I wanna lie to you. Circulars on.
But I'm good.
See, look at bro. He's trying to sock me.
What is this, bro?
Now, what is that for?
It's supposed to be for back day, bro, but I don't know how motherfuckers use it. I don't know.
Dick's Sporting Goods, bro. Health is wealth.
I know it's some shit like this. But you do more than that.
Yeah.
What is it? And there's no like tell you how to do it.
But yet, but they got all the trainers in these games, bro. Like if. Alright, hold on. I'm finna show y'all how I get right there. This is what happens when you bring meat to stores, bro.
How much is this, bro? I don't know. We gonna find out. I'm gonna get
You buying that shit?
Yeah.
He's buying it, y'all.
How much is this?
That's why I said, bro, like, you could return anything you buy, really.
That's what I'm
Unless
saying.
it's like weed.
Yeah. That's
I'm
right.
gonna see y'all back though. I'm in Dick's
The next store.
at the next store. I might get t-shirts, y'all. Alright, y'all gonna catch me motherfucking on some shelf watching shit today, but you think I can pull this off, bro? Like, I'm gonna find an edit to put in this video for this exact shirt. Truthfully. But yeah, bro, I ain't spending no money on today because I'm trying to not have fun on. Lo, come here. See, this is why you gotta go to Ross, bro. This is damn near like the thrift store. This is tough. But it's extra large, though.
That don't matter.
Alright, y'all, there's hella people in here. I'm weird, so I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Good ass, boy. And I got the fries, too. So why would y'all play with me like I didn't get the fries also with the mac and cheese, bro? This is a food review, bro. First bite of the mac.
Perfect.
That's that shit, right?
Texture is 7. It's cool. It's not bad.
It's not bad. I think if you got the whole bowl, it would be better. Because it would be steaming up.
My grandma makes that shit better.
Okay.
Time to see the fries, bro. Gents should be crisp.
Perfect.
Curtis was like, bro, I just watched your vlog, and I was like, which one? He was like, I went to a country nightclub and this happened. That was the title. Yeah. The title was,
You made a video about
yeah,
it?
it was a whole day, bro.
Hell yeah.
And it was, I went to a country nightclub and this happened. Like, catfished y'all ass.
No cat, bro.
When I was in that bitch acting mad weird. Not talking to nobody.
Looking like a cowboy. Looking like he knows how to rope and ride.
I should have learned to rope and ride. R.I.P. Kobe. Kobe.
Toby Keith shot. He said, stealing the young girls' hearts.
Just like dreaming, Roy. I said just like Steve and Roy.
Just like Steve and Roy.
But yeah, man. It's cool eats, bro. This little ass bowl of mac and cheese, though. These motherfuckers gave me the kid size. Do it right now. Do it right now.
Do it.
I think your probation show will take like 40 minutes.
Okay. Like a little meeting. You're gonna post up outside or what?
I might go somewhere.
Where's the bar, man?
Pull up. What's up, bro?
Looking depressing, that bitch. Go by yourself.
Damn. No, for real. I saw a video, but I saw. This is real though. It's like, bro, you don't need to go. You don't need anyone to go anywhere. It's like you literally just need yourself, bro. Like, especially with vacations, motherfuckers be like, I need someone to go on vacation with me, bro. Just go by yourself, bro. You'll have a good ass time. I never done that shit, so.
I told you about my
I'm
sister.
not an experienced motherfucker, bro.
My sister went to LA by herself, bro, for a week. She said it was the best time she ever had.
Yeah, I need to do some shit like that.
But still, bro, that shit's still different, though. With you, though, going on a trip, man.
That's why I come to, I'm like, bro, with my homie, bro. Bro, LA, bro.
Saying
LA's a little burnt out too, but like Florida.
Miami, bro. The Miami Beach Strip. Get a little hotel down there.
Niggas do spring break vlogs. No, down there you question it. Like,
We got our shit, bro, so we can go anywhere. You know how many nightclubs are over there? Hey,
bro, that's where Netflix is the pay for me though.
okay.
Real talk, bro. Like, you want to go in the bitch looking like a shrimp. Like,
Literally, bro, like, not throwing no money, or you even do throw money and it's not a lot. Like 3,000, the motherfuckers in Miami, bro,
Not a
every
lot.
niggas nowadays throwing like 10. I want to move to Houston, bro. And I'm thinking about you. That Houston song? That little ass meal again.
I told you, bro.
Like, I'm looking annoyed. Like, not annoyed, but like,
Disappointed.
yeah, because it's like a burger would have hurt me.
She would have filled you up.
A burger, bro? It's because I went for the bougie shit.
It's funny, bro. Cause literally, I went to Miami, bro. The steak that I got was like $70. That shit was like this big. $70, bro. And they give me a little ass side of fries.
Yeah.
Like it's bougie as folks. They put like oregano and shit on it.
I'll see you in a second, hold up. The menu, 200 for a Wagyu, motherfucker.
Damn.
Like, literally every steak was like 110 plus. I was like, bro, that's crazy,
It's
bro.
a waste of money, bro. I'll never go there.
Unless I ain't gonna lie, if I'm really have
If
shit
I'm
coming in,
having it,
yeah,
bro.
hell yeah, bro.
Like, I'm having it for sure, but right now,
Like, even Mikey, it'd be like that.
that's not the move. Not for me. I would say hell no. I would be like, man, let's go to fucking Longhorn Steakhouse.
No, for real. Texas Roadhouse.
Yeah, for real.
Get a tough $50 steak. That shit is beautiful, too. My parents always used to make that seem like so occasionally, like, we'd only go there for our birthdays. And when you think about it, it's only $50 a steak. And that's like a lot, but it's like,
It's more of like a
but they do
basic
have
steak.
4 kids, bro. So it's like,
They're not gonna spend that shit every time.
bro, you feel me? Like, cause we literally go there for our birthdays. I'll get like a shrimp skewer with like shrimp on that bitch and a big ass steak and like a lobster tail.
Yeah.
When you think about it though, they spent like $100 on me for the meal.
I'll say like
Nigga
400.
said lobster tail, shrimp. I know for everyone in total.
Yeah.
No, for 4 kids, bro. And everyone's getting what they want down there. So when it was someone else's birthday, bro, you'd be hyped.
It all adds up, bro. I'm saying like fucking drinks, my nigga.
Yeah, and then they get alcohol
Yeah.
and then soda. That shit
It all
might be like
adds up, bro.
$30, $40 for.
$5 for each soda.
That's why we gap
And I
kids.
know your brother's just be rubbing down, and especially with the soda, bro.
When motherfuckers go on their birthday shit, bro, everyone gets what they want, low key. Like my dad isn't like one of us is gonna get the best shit, but
Yeah.
if it's your birthday, but even if it's not your birthday, you probably still gonna get a steak, bro.
Some nice shit.
But it would always be like that. Like someone gets like a lobster tail or some shit for their birthday, and you be lit, bro. You like, yeah, I got a lot. No one else has one.
Yeah, everyone else eating steak. Give a lobster tail.
That's my favorite meal, turf and surf, bro. Turf and surf. That's just fucking steak and seafood. You can eat crab, huh? Now this shit did get me full though. After I got down to the fries, I'm like,
Like, damn, bro.
good.
Yeah, I'll take them.
But I'm happy I didn't drink. I'm happy I didn't drink more, bro, because this shit would have cooked me, bro.
I feel like you'd be more slumped than anything.
Bro,
Especially with the blunt, bro. I'm telling you, the weed, bro. Add it on top of the lick. You cook.
Do you guys want more water, or do you want to serve anything?
I'm fine.
Can I get a little bit more water?
Yeah, of course.
Can I too, please?
Yeah, I'll get you 2 waters and here's your check.
Thank you, man.
Show me right here.
Shout out to y'all.
Can you cook?
Those clips I have with you, bro, where I was like, you're like thick booty Latino, and then went, ow. I know.
Look at that, huh?
The fuck, y'all?
Hey yo, what the fuck?
What do you got going on? I know, I'm freaking
The
y'all.
waitress recording that. She'll look back, she's like, you're a fucking nigga.
You did?
Not our waitress, we're big girl right now.
Mexican shorty? She gave me Just look back like you a fuck. Like,
There you go, man.
damn. I'm gonna get copyrighted. There's always this.
No cap,
They're playing music the whole time, bro.
bro. You said I'm gonna get copyrighted, bro.
Y'all see me when I'm at a bar.
Alright, YouTube, thank you guys for tuning into the video, man. This is the end of the video. I know it was just random clips, stuff like that. I crashed my car. I don't have clips of the night when I crashed my car, but I crashed my car. So, it is what it is, man. Life gonna keep life, and we gonna keep being better and getting better every day. But I want to say thank y'all for tuning in. It means the world to me. I love you guys. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe to my second channel right here. And yeah, man, tune into all my recent videos. I'm gonna drop a new video tomorrow. Make sure y'all tune into that. I'm gonna try to get this video out this same day. If you see it today, I'm trying to get out this same exact day. If not, I'm gonna get out tomorrow. Thank y'all for tuning in. I love y'all. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Let's go.
I fell in love with a lesbian. Can I knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then.